Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. Valorant voice chat muted. So this is how you mute your team if you don't want to hear them or if they're trash talking you. So you just need to click escape, then go to match, and then as you can see, allow communications. If it's checked, it means you can hear them. If it's unchecked, it means you cannot hear them. So right now it's unchecked. So if somebody talks in the voice chat, I wouldn't able to hear them. And the next thing here, go to audio, then as you can see party chat, party voice during costumes, and party team chat. In party chat, if you are on party chat, you won't hear anybody in party chat, so you have muted them. And in team chat, if you off that, you wouldn't hear anybody from your team in game. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.